Hello everyone, this is me Vipin Tyagi and making this video on the request of one of my subscriber Mahesh Khanna ji from Chennai. So he requested me in the morning that he want an video and review on few aspects of XUV 300. So making in this video for English people who only understand English, because I have already made this same video in Hindi. But as per Mahesh Khanna ji, he's from Chennai. He said, "Hello, bhai. I am from Chennai. I can understand some Hindi, but not entirely." So he want me to make this video in English, and he also asked few questions because he understand that reviewing a car from the overall perspective and making a review when a customer uses the car is different. So doing the review on the request of Mahesh Khanna ji from Chennai. So let me just read his questions and answer it, whatever questions he has. So first question, he asked that can you please make a review in the braking and steering control. So Mahesh ji, trust me, the braking system of car is exceptionally well, because it delivers us the strong braking system and the strong braking when we drive the car. And it is the only segment car which provide us 4 disc brakes in the system. So being in part, I will give you the surety, if you drive this car, the braking system you find is superb. Second, steering control. Steering control is good. I am not saying that this is the excellent steering system, but yes, this is the good and average steering system they are providing. But you'll love this car. Second, mostly first and second gear. So in first and second gear, first gear and second gear stuck somewhere when you transfer it, or migrate it from 3 to 2 or 2 to 1, you'll feel little stucking sound over there, that that particular thing stuck those at those points. But overall this is a good car, but you will not feel this particular stuckness every time. This is only sometimes you'll feel the system. Second, build quality is superb, and you feel this car very heavy. Then another question is tire pressure. So tire pressure, so since I buy this car, tire pressure is okay, but yes, because I should not comment on this part, because it different and varies from car to car, and driving conditions, the kind of road you are driving. Common fault in XUV 300, how to take care of it. So common faults, I am not able to see any common fault in this particular car. The only thing which is the gear stuckness in first and second gear, which I feel. Service cost is very minimal. One of my friend is using this car since 1 year, and the first service, the paid service which he paid for, that is only, I believe, 2700 for a paid service. Thank you and stay connected. Do subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.